Yeah, I just woke up today and suddenly the Lego set I finished isn't here. It's not there either because that's the laptop I have. Oh. Just trying to find it. Is it here? No. Most definitely not here. Maybe here. Okay, behind this plant? No. That's the red one. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. What I'm thinking? I think, yeah, there are supposed to be some keys. I think it's inside the car. I don't know. Let's just test that. Gosh, we're over half. That's the bathroom. Car, not bath. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think it's... Huh? There it is. Gosh. What? How did it just get there? How did the car just get there? I don't know how, and I don't know why. Anyways, yeah, video end now.